How to change font size on Android display settings guide. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can make font bigger or smaller in Android phone. So for that we will simply click on settings. So I will simply click on settings app. Once we click here you guys will simply see search icon. Simply click here. Now search for font. I will simply search for font. Here you guys can see font. So simply click on that. Once we click here you guys can see the wizard of Oz, like it will be any name. Also you guys can see Roboto, Monsense and other fonts. And also you guys can see font size default and blue line. So simply, for example, I want to make it bigger, so I will simply click to large and I will click on apply. And if I want to make it smaller, I will simply reverse that line. So once you select the best size for you, after that click on apply, and that's it. Once you click on apply, your font will be changed. So that's how you guys can make font size bigger or smaller. Thanks for watching.